Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this quick and easy protective style. I'll be doing some flat twist and a puff. So to begin the style, I'm going to unravel the twisting I had in my hair, and I've had this for about 3 days, and what I used was just Cantu Beauty leave-in conditioner and shea butter. So while taking down my twist, I'll just like to use this opportunity to ask for a little favor. Please, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So now I'm done unraveling the twist, and I'm just going to part my hair from ear to ear and separate the section that I'm going to be doing the flat twist on. I just realized I forgot to turn my camera on before I did the other flat twist, so I'm sorry about that. So you're just going to see how I did this section. First, you apply Eco Styling Gel, at least that's what I'm using, or any gel you have, just around the area you're about to flat twist. So now it's time to do the puff, and I'm just going to brush my hair forward and apply a little bit of gel at the back, and then use this gold stripe to secure the puff. Please leave a comment below, and if you have any questions, I'll be here to answer them. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.